Hi guys, it's me again. It's Jenny from Just Jenny Journaling. It's just a really quick video. I've just had a little charity shop wander about and wanted to show you some of the things I've picked up and what I'm going to use them for. You know, my latest project is actually working on these little traveler's notebooks for the inserts. And one of the things I've been wanting to do is look for beautiful sort of like vintage beads and things to make embellishments for them, because I really love that on other people's, and I thought I'd try it myself. So I've just been around today looking at my local charity shops, looking at things for around between 50p and £1 that I can take to bits and use with my journal. So thought I'd run through what I picked up. So first and foremost, just some bracelets that I thought would be quite nice just to take to bits, and I had sort of this sort of colour in mind, this sort of colourway. So there's these beautiful bracelets. Some of these beads are so intricate with the glass. I liked these because I think we can, with those you can take things to bits and use things like that. I loved these lovely combination of colours. And this I thought would be very useful just to pick apart. I don't know if you can see, it's got like a butterfly. Just to pick apart really and use the little delicate bits. So I say they're between, these is really chunky and I'm going to enjoy taking those beads to bits and using them in different projects. This particular one I love. Again, it's got little danglies, so you've got dragonflies, leaves. I think I saw a couple of butterflies. I don't know what. Anyway, so I thought that this colour here, the blues and the turquoise and the greens, I love that combination of colours, and I was thinking of this particular journal, maybe just to use that whole. I think that would be lovely. So, yeah, that's that. I've picked up quite a few more bits and pieces. I thought I'd really go for it and start a collection. I thought I'd really go for it. And as I say, a couple of the ladies that I know in the charity shops have known me for years, and so one of them just gave me a big bundle. It should have been about £5 or £6, and she just said, oh, just give me £2 for them. So I was very pleased with that. And this little find was one of them. Very useful. So there was those. I picked that up. I'm going to do something with. And that. Just these lovely things. There were some other bits and pieces I thought that may be of interest. There was one, here's some more, just beautiful, beautiful. And I did spoil myself, went to Home Bargains and I picked up a little storage box because I don't think I've got one of those. I will probably give my daughter the job of taking these to bits and putting them in colours. This was one thing I really liked. It was it's silk crochet trim. It had £5 on it from somewhere, but it actually was 60p. So it's, I don't know how much, 2 meters of it, and I don't know if I can get it to bits. But anyway, you get the gist of what that looks like. So someone's crocheted that. Also picked up this big batch of embroidery cotton, which would be really nice for making, for sewing in signatures to different books. I love the different variety of sort of browns and taupes and things. Pick this up, Anchor, this little packet of, I think this was about 50p. They look really quite old, to be honest. So, oh, they look really quite old, and I just love, in fact, I just love the little cards they're on. So there's that. My battery's decided it's really running low, so I might have to hurry this up a little bit. What else? Oh yeah, picked up a little I'm doing travellers notebooks for some friends who actually are travelling away. And I thought this was quite a nice little card. That was a little find. Also picked up a, yes, just this little set, which was about 50p. And I really like these papers, like a little planner paper, which was lovely, and little coordinating sticky post-its. So you will be seeing these in my books over the next few months. This was a gentleman called Stanley Spencer. The lady said he lives in Cookham, which is just down the way from where we are in Oxfordshire. But I just loved, it's an almanac, and I loved the illustrations in this. And I can just see, I might actually just make embellishments with them. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Maybe make some beautiful cards, some journaling cards with some sewing on. Yeah, interesting. So we'll have a look and see what I do with those. So that was £1. That was £1. I also picked this little beauty up. It's called Gardening for Amateurs. I don't know how old it is. And that was in the pound section of one of our local bookshops. There you go. So it goes back to, I don't know. Oh my word. It's got a little, it's the Waverley Book Company. Sign of a good book. But I just thought it would be a useful find for my oh, that is gorgeous. My botanical notebooks. And I might take it to bits. I don't know. Don't even have to tea dye this. Can't see a date on it though. Can't see a date. Anyway, so that was that one. I like the papers in this little planner, which I thought was quite interesting. That was about £1. Was it £1.25, something like that. So that will be a nice addition to a couple of things, a couple of books. Also found this decoupage kit book, which, if you can see, but some of the pictures were okay. I could be using for collage. But what I really liked about this, it was in their little pound section, and on the back it had these tucked away. They came with a book apparently, and I think they will make jolly nice covers for the travellers notebooks, or I don't know, I'm not quite sure, but they were well worth the £1. So that was about 20p each just for those. Oh no, there's more. Yeah, so I picked that up as well, and also this really old, I picked this up with a few other bits, and it came to £2 with some jewellery as well, so I thought that might be worth just chucking in the pile. Okay, sorry about knocking the, aren't these lovely? Hallmark, little peach coloured envelopes. What a lovely find, and they still open. Let's have a look at the, oh my word, the notelets. Oh, very pleased with those. Very pleased indeed. So are they different? So Narcissus? No, they're all the same. They're all the same. But I think I can use these right now. So that's a whole box. Oh, very pleased with those indeed. And I can pop those straight into my travellers notebooks, I think, and actually tuck them into big journals, just in pockets for journaling on. So that's it. That's it. That was my haul from this morning. You will be seeing these lovely jewellery things in my stash, in my creations over the next few weeks and months. I'm just finishing off some travellers notebooks that I hope to have up and ready for sale within the next 2 or 3 days. I wanted to do it for the end of May. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, found some inspiration, and inspiration to go around and have a look around your charity shops locally. and to see what you can do with the things that you find. So as I said, it's Jenny, Just Jenny Journaling. I have an Instagram page if you want to follow me daily on Instagram. And yes, please like and subscribe if you see anything you like. Thank you very much. Bye bye.